So down at low tide and on Tybee Island or something like that. I think we're on Tybee Island. I'm not sure.
The shell I gave you a minute ago?
I have it.
Yeah, if it's full, you put it in your ear and you can hear the ocean.
That's kind of cool.
You gotta find a phone.
Let's see here.
Dig if that's what you want.
Ooh, that's cold. I want to look for shark teeth, but I don't think they'll just kind of be popping up around here. It might be a little harder to find them. And I'm not sure what to do. Woo! Okay. It went straight to my socks. Alright, we're going back over. We gotta look for at least, you know, like in a little bit. Okay, never mind. Tide said no. Alright, it's following me. That's great. Stay away. I'm looking for something to wash it up. I don't think there's gonna be. Sorry, no. Man. I actually decided to major in marine biology one day. Man, this is gonna be difficult having to swim around and shit. Come on, man. I dug a hole, and now my hand's freezing. What is that? I think I found a tooth. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's just, I don't know. I think it's just a flake of a shell or something. Flake. Man, I used the wrong words for just about everything. Okay, we are sinking in, boys. I'm going to scream. I don't know what to do here. I'm like, huh? That was cute. That was so cutesy. Absolutely adorable. Ow. I don't mind getting my hand, singular hand, dirty. This is fine. I'm okay with this. I'm hoping I can feel something. I really want to know if that's a tooth or just a shellfish. I really do, but I'm not sure. How I go about that. Pretty sure it's a shell. Can't tell, my hands are sandy as fuck. Well, it's not breaking, so it could be some kind of bone. Hold on. Okay, we've just gotten confirmation that that was part of a shell, possibly. So, yeah. Still a pretty cool little find. We also found this. Now, I actually enjoyed it here. I'm gonna take this back, because this was really smooth. And I like it. I don't know why. Something about it's just very calming. And sea chicken. I want to run up on it, but I'm not mean. Look at the little birdie. I don't even know if you can see it. bad, we're back.